Stock number 4-100K. This is a June 4th of 2008 Dodge Caliber. It's got the 1.8 liter twin cam engine, Cali emissions. That's the EBA engine. It's got a 5-speed stick, front wheel drive. Transmission is a DD7 or a T0355, whichever way you want to call it. Had it running for about a half hour or so. A little high on the mileage. It's up there at almost 214. It looks like it's got a little valve cover weep on it and stuff, but all in all, I think looks like it's doing okay. It does have a check engine light. It's got a few codes, but not really anything major. One of them is kind of questionable. Let's see, we got a 420 for a cat, and we have a 455, 456, and 457 for all EVAP leaks. And then this one's kind of puzzling. First time I run across this, a 1607. I guess it's the powertrain control module internal shutdown timer has slow rationality. I guess what that means from my research is that it's taking too long for the computer to figure out what's going on with the differences in temperature and things like that from all the sensors, you know, all the different inputs from the sensors. So it's like processing speed from what I'm looking at. So I don't know if that means that the PCM needs to be changed out. Which wouldn't surprise me being a Chrysler, but don't quote me on that. Without getting into it further, I wouldn't be able to tell you. But that's all it shows for codes. No knock codes or anything else like that. It revs up fine, and you can tell there's no overheat or anything. That's where it stayed for a while now. So yeah. Looks like the, oh, well, I can't, there's no battery in it, so I can't take and unhook it to take it for a test drive, but I can see if it bumps forward and backwards here. I got the e-brake on too, so. Yeah, I mean, the transmission rose nice. Goes in all the gears the way it's supposed to. E-brake holds. So yeah, and the clutch feels pretty good. It's catching about halfway up with good tension, so probably has been done once before. But so yeah, drivetrain looks good.